In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Git Bash on Windows. Git Bash allows you to run Git commands on Windows using a Linux-style command line, which makes source code management much easier. To get started, open any web browser and search for Git Bash download. From the search results, click on the first official link. Once the page opens, go to the Download section and click on Windows. You'll now see two options, a 32-bit setup and a 64-bit setup. Select the version that matches your system. In my case, I'm downloading the 64-bit version. Click the link and the download will start. Now go to the Downloads folder. Here you'll see the Git Bash setup file. Double-click the exe file to install. The Git setup window will open. Click Next and keep the default installation location. Click Next again and continue clicking Next to keep all default settings. Now click Install. Git Bash will now begin installing on your Windows system. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation is complete, uncheck View Release Notes and click Finish. Git Bash is now successfully installed. To open it, go to the Start menu, search for Git Bash, and click on it. Maximize the window, and this is your Git Bash command line. You can type commands like pwd to see your current directory. To check the Git version, open Command Prompt. Type git-version. You'll see the installed Git version displayed. That's how you install Git Bash on Windows. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.